Namaste students, welcome to our social science class. In the previous classes, we learnt about our duties as a neighbor, our duties as a citizen. In today's class, we are going to learn about our rights. What are our rights? Rights are things that we are free to do. Okay, along with duties, citizens have rights too. Rights are things that we are free to do. Right? What are our rights? Let us learn more. We already know about our duties as citizens. Today, we will learn about our rights as citizens of India. The key words that we are going to learn are rights. Rights, free to do or say things without fear of punishment. Okay, what are rights? Things which are free to do or say things without fear of punishment. Court, a place where judges decide whether someone has done a crime or not. Equally, to treat everyone in the same way. So let us read the sentences. Okay. Jyoti is not allowed to go to school because she is a girl. Jyoti is not allowed to go to school because she is a girl. Is this correct? You are not allowed to school because you are a girl? Second question, second sentence. John can travel anywhere across India. John can travel anywhere across India means he can travel to any state, any corner. That's okay, that's right. Okay, he can travel. Many children are made to work in factories. This is something bad, right? Children should not work in factories. The right place for children is to enjoy their childhood or to attend the school. Fourth sentence. Harpreet prays in Gurudwara on Gurupurab. Yes, Harpreet can pray in Gurudwara on Gurupurab. Every person has a right to follow his religion. Right. Next, fifth one. Seema speaks in Marathi, which is her own language. We have a right to speak in our own language. Right? Seema can speak Marathi. Then Kannan speaks loudly and disturbs his neighbors. Is this right thing to do? By speaking loudly, he is disturbing the neighbors. Right? Let's move forward. Let us watch this video. Let us watch this video once again. So, from this video, we learned that there are some rights for the citizens. Right? What should we be free to do? What are the things that we can do? Right? Someone like Jyoti should be allowed to go to school. Stopping someone from going to school just because of their gender or just because they are girls is wrong. So Jyoti should be allowed to go to school. John must be free to travel anywhere. Harpreet must be free to celebrate her festival. These are our rights or things we must be free to do. So now let us make it very clear what are the things that should be allowed and what are the things that should not be allowed. Okay? To travel anywhere we want, it should be allowed. Anywhere in the country. Okay? To celebrate our festivals, yeah, this should be allowed. To speak our language, yes, it should be allowed. Then what are the things that should not happen or that should not be allowed? Not letting Jyoti study is bad. So, should not be allowed. Jyoti should study, right? Making children work in factories, this should not be allowed because it will spoil their health, it will spoil their childhood. Okay? So, next one, disturbing neighbors by speaking loudly. This is also should not be allowed because neighbors get disturbed, right? Then what are the rights of Indian citizens? All Indians, all the citizens of our country have some rights. What are those? As Indians, we must be treated equally by all. Okay? We must be treated equally. We must be free to worship any god and say what we want. We can promote our language, music, and dance. Nobody should be forced to work. We can go to court if we are not allowed to enjoy these rights. Okay, these are our rights, and if anyone is not allowing us to follow our rights or enjoy our rights, then we can go to court and complain. So once again, let us recall what are our rights. As Indians, we must be treated equally by all. We must be free to excuse me. As Indians, we must be treated equally by all. We must be free to worship any god and say what we want. We can promote our language, music, and dance. Nobody should be forced to work. We can go to court if we are not allowed to enjoy these rights. Do rights allow us to do whatever we want? Give a reason. No, rights do not allow us to do whatever we want. Rights do not allow us to do whatever we want. We have the right to worship any god, but we should not stop others from worshipping their gods. Okay? See, if we want to follow any religion, if we want to do worship to any god, that is fine. But stopping others from worshipping their gods or following their religion, that is bad. Okay, that is bad. So, we have the right to do any work, but it is our duty to see that our work does not harm anyone. We can do anything that we like, but we should not do things which harm others, right? Rights and duties go together. Okay, both rights and duties go together. Now let us open a workbook. Open your worksheet to 5.3. 5.3, put today's date. Let us read the first question. Which of these should be allowed to do? Tick the correct answer, cross out the wrong ones. Okay, which of these are rights which can be allowed to do? You put a tick to that. Which should not be allowed? You put a cross to that. Hurt someone? Put a cross to that. Worship any god? Put a tick to that. Yes, you can worship any god. Speak our own language? Yes, you can speak. Put a tick. Visit our relatives anywhere in the country? Yes, put a tick. Force an 11-year-old boy to work in a factory? That is wrong. That should not be allowed. So put a cross to the last one. Now second question, read the sentences. Tick those where someone is enjoying a right. Okay, if you feel that someone is enjoying a right, then you have to put a tick to that statement. Right. A1, both Shanti and her brother study in the same school. Okay, they are enjoying a right, so put a tick. This is right to education, right? They are studying in the school. Then George celebrates Christmas every year with his family and friends. Yes, George is enjoying the right to religion and right to worship, so put a tick to that. Then C, Amna went to court because she was earning less than other men in her office, right? So for this also you can put a tick, okay? Because if you are unable to enjoy your right, then you can go to court. Then go to court and complain. Okay. Then D, sentence D, Sarah did not get a job because she is a woman, while Sam got the job because he is a man. This is wrong. She is not enjoying the right. Just because she is a woman, uh, people should not stop her, right? This is wrong. Sarah can go to court and complain. Sam got the job because he's a man, and they stopped Sarah because she's a woman. That is wrong. So Sarah is not enjoying the right, so put a cross to that. Next sentence E. Meenu performed a dance in her neighborhood. She is enjoying her right? Put a tick to that. Okay, now the third question. You are free to say anything. What should you be careful about when saying something? Okay, all of us have a right to speak up. We are free to say anything. But what is the thing that you should remember while speaking? Okay, we should be careful that when we speak, we don't harm or hurt anyone. Our words should be in such a manner that they should not hurt others. Okay, that is the answer. Let's move further. All of you open your content book and don't forget to read your lesson, Nana. From the content book, read the lesson Our Rights 2 times and underline new words. First question in the content book practice questions. Which of these are free to do? Tick the correct options. Okay. A, traveling to another city. Yes, we are free to travel to any city. Put a tick to that. A1, asking others not to speak their language. This is wrong. How can we say others? How can we stop the rights of others? That is wrong. So we are not going to tick that. Celebrating our own festivals. Yes, we have a right to follow our religions. So put a tick. A1 and C1 you can put a tick. Second question, as Indians we should be treated equally. Give an example of how you would like to be treated equally. So all of us are citizens of India. We have the right, we enjoy the right of being treated equally. But can where do we find this inequality? Where do you want to find? Okay, where do you want to bring the equality? Just we can give one suggestion. So I feel that people should have common same medical facilities. It should not be like the rich people go to a multi-star super specialty hospital and the poor have some less facilities in the hospital. It should not be like that. Medical facilities should be equal to everyone, all the citizens of India. Such kind of hospitals and diagnostic centers should be there, right? Next, Nana, you can write your own example also where you want to where you find inequality, where you want to bring equality. You can write your own example. So what I felt, I told you. Then third question, Samir is 10 years old. Can anyone force him to work in a tea shop? Give reasons for your answer. Samir is 10 years old. No one can force him to work in a tea shop, right? Because right to education till the year 14 years, till the child is of 14 years, they have the right to education. They should go to school. The right place for children who are 10 years and more than 10 years till 14 years is the school. So Samir should not be deprived of this right. So no one can force him to go to tea shop and work, right? That is it. And that's all for today, students. Read the lesson well. It will improve your language skills. You'll gain knowledge you'll be more confident about the lesson. You can do well in the further tests also. So that's all for today. Have a good day, children. Thank you. Let us meet again in the next class.